Happy anniversary, ah, anak Claire and Vic. Na sana'y kami nakarating dyan, ngunit ngayon ay mahina ang mami. Kaya i- i- binib kaya binabati ka namin ng maligayang pag 25th anniversary ng inyong kasal. Lumawig pa sana ang inyong buhay at para makita nyo kung magkaroon na kayo ng apo. Salamat. Sana'y naandyan kami. Ngunit hindi kami makapag-biyahe ngayon dahil ng mami.
Marita, aking anak, maraming salamat sa iyo at sa Diyos na inabot ko pa ang 25th anniversary mo. Sana lumawig pa ang ating buhay upang makita ninyo ang kalagayan ninyo sa susunod na this coming year and for so many years. Anyway, sabi ko sa kanya, nandiyan na mga anak mo, nakatapos na, and I believe that you will have a good life in the days to come. Have a good health and complete healing for Vic. That she may see and correct it, and may see and correct his eyes defect. Oh, Marita, thank you very much again. I love you, that you are my daughter and my son-daughter.
Son-in-law.
Thank you so much, Abhi. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
I love you.
I love you.